Look here children, you have FA1 exams from 19 onwards. So we will revise some topics what we have learnt these many days. Okay, FA1 revision. Now once again I will explain about rounding numbers. In rounding numbers there are three types: rounding nearest to 10, rounding nearest 100, rounding nearest to 1000. First, for each one I will explain one example. Okay, look here. First question, FA1 revision. Round 647 to the nearest 10. If they gave nearest to 10 means we have to check tens place. What is the digit in tens place? 4. Yes, 4. So 647 lies between 4. What is the place value of 4? 40. So before tens place, here 6 is there, no, we will write as it is 640 and add 10 to this number. Why we are adding 10 means here nearest to 10 given. So 640 plus 10, 650. 647 lies between 640 and 650. Now we will draw a number line. Here if they gave nearest 10 means we have to take one as difference. Okay, 41, 42, 643, 644, 645, 646, 647, 648, 649, 650. Yes. Now here this 45, here nearest to 10 given means 5 is a midpoint. 45, this is a midpoint. Okay, 5 is a midpoint. If we get the number on midpoint or after midpoint means we will say round up. Okay, if we get before midpoint means we will say round down. Now 647 here it is after midpoint. So this 647 is rounded up to 650. Therefore 647 is rounded up to 650. Here we got options 647, 650, 640, 648. So where is 650? Yes, B. So B is the answer. Okay, like this you will get. Now look at second question. Round 723 to the nearest 100. Okay, nearest 100. Hundreds given means we have to check hundreds place. So 723 lies between, what is the place value of 7? 700. Here before 7 any numbers are there? No. So we will not write anything here. No. 700 plus 100. Here tens given. So we added 10 here. Now here 100 given. So we have to add 100. What will get? 7 plus 1? 8. 800 will get. So 700 and 800. Now we will draw a number line. $700. Look here children. 700. Here nearest to 10 means we took one difference. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here nearest 100 means we have to take 10 as difference. 10 as difference. So 700, 710, 720, 730, 740, 750, 760, 770, 780, 790, 800. Here 70. Okay, 770. Now here 50 is the midpoint. For tens we are having 5 as midpoint. For hundreds we are having 50 as midpoint. 50 as midpoint. So 50 as midpoint. So 750 is a midpoint. 750 is a midpoint. Now 723 will be here. 723. Is it before midpoint or after midpoint? Before midpoint. So before midpoint. So these 723 rounded down to 700. Therefore 723 is rounded down to 700. Look here in option 700, 800, 720, 730. Where is 700? Yes, A option. So we'll get answer as A. Now look at third. Here round 3934 to the nearest 1000 given. Okay. So 3934 lies between, look here children, thousands given. So we have to check thousands place. What is the digit in thousands place? 3. What is the place value of 3? 3000. And 3000. Add 1000 to 3000. 4000. So we'll get here 4000. Okay. Now we'll draw number line. 3000. 3000. Here thousands given. So we have to take 100 as difference. Okay. 1000 given. So we have to take 100 as difference. 3000, 3100, 200, 3300, 3400, 3500, 3600, 3700, 3800, 3900, 4000. Okay. Now here 1000 given. So for 1000 we are having 500 as midpoint. 500 as midpoint. Okay. Now look here, 3900 will be after 3500 or before 3500? Yes, it will be here after. So round up. Therefore 3934 rounded up to 4000. Look here in the options. A 3934, B 3900, C 3000, D 4000. Yes, we got 4000. So this is the answer. Like this you have to do. Okay. Like that only practice these all numbers for exam. I will give 3 questions from this bit. Okay, rounding numbers. So practice this all. Look here children, smallest and greatest numbers. Okay, write these in your fairness and practice this. Okay, FA1 revision basic. Smallest 2-digit number is 10. Greatest 2-digit number is 99. We will start 2-digit numbers from 10 and end at 99. Now smallest 3-digit number is 100. Yes, we will start 3-digit numbers from 100 and ends at 999. So greatest 3-digit number is 999. Smallest 4-digit number is 1000. Okay, 1000. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits. Greatest 4-digit number is 9999. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4-digit number 9999. Smallest 5-digit number is 10,000. Greatest 5-digit number is 99,999. Smallest 6-digit number is 1 lakh. Greatest 6-digit number is 9,99,999. Okay. Learn this one. Smallest and greatest numbers. In exam you will get questions from these. Okay. Look here, textbook page number 95. This is homework for you, mixed bag problems. I will explain one problem in every bit. You have to do remaining problems. Okay, choose the correct answers. The difference between the place value and face value of the digit 1 in 1,23,456. 1,23,456. Place value and face value of the digit 1. Where is 1? Here it is. What is the place value of 1? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs. So 1 lakh is the place value. Face value means number itself. So 1 is the face value. This is place value and this is face value. Okay. Now difference. If they gave sum means we will do addition. If they give difference means subtraction. Okay. From 0 we cannot cut 1. So we'll take borrow. It will be 10. Here 9, 9, 9, 9. 10 minus 1, 9. These all 9s will be there. Okay. 99,999. Where it is? Here. So option 3 is the answer. Okay. Look at B question. In which number is the digit 5 in the 10,000s place? Okay. Look here. 10,000s place means 10,000. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth place. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sixth place is there. So it is not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here fifth place is there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth place. 1, 2. Second place. So fifth place. This is the 10,000 place. Okay. Now look at C question. 34,678 is bigger than 34,678 is bigger than. Okay. Here 1,23,678, 44,678, 35,678, 34,578. So this is bigger than. Look, compare. This is 6-digit number, so it will be not bigger. This is 5-digit number only, but here 44 given, 35 given, here 34 only given. So this is the answer. D question. 189 rounded up to the nearest thousand. 189. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. What is the digit in thousands place? 0. So this 189 lies between 0 and nearest 1000 given. So 1000. 0 plus 1000, 1000. Okay. If they gave thousands means we will take 100 gap. Difference. 0, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000. Okay. This is the midpoint, ending point, starting point. 189 lies before 189 lies between 0 and 1000. It will be before 500. So rounded down to 0. Rounded down to 0. So answer is 0. Where it is? Yes, first one. Okay. This E bit not completed. Roman, you don't know Roman numbers. In next period I will explain this. After that we will do this one. Okay. What is second bit? Yes. Number. Here you have to write number. Here number name. I will write one example. Look carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 ones. 0 tens. 100. 3000. 1, 2. 1 2 3 4 5 5 lakhs. So 5 lakh lakhs 23,108. Like this you have to complete this all. This is your homework. Okay, write the number for the number name. Here we have to write number. Okay, 5,15,010. If they gave lakhs means it will be 6 digit number. How many digit number? 6 digit number. Okay, if they gave 10,000 means it will be 5 digit number. Okay, 6 digit number. So how many lakhs given? 5. So we'll write 5. 5,15,000. This is thousand spirit. Yes. So 15,000. 10 given. So we'll write 10 here. In hundreds place we'll get 0. Okay. Look here. 10,111. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. 10,111. 111. Complete these three. Okay. Here you have to read the number, write the number name. 1,29,323. Write like that. 1,29,323. Okay, like this complete. This is expanded form. Okay, what is the place value of 5? 5 is in 10,000's place. So 50,000 plus next 6. 6 is in thousands place. So 6,000 plus 4 is in hundreds place. So 400 plus 9 is in tens place. So 90 plus 5 is in ones place. 5. This is expanded form. Like this you have to complete this all. Write in standard form. For expanded form only we have to write in standard form. 6 lakhs given, so it is 6 digit number. 6 lakhs, 50,000, 9,000, 9 in 1,000, 100, 134. Okay, now here 50,000 given, so 50,000 means 10,000's place, so 5 digit number. 50,000, so we'll write 5 in 10,000's place. Here thousands given, no, so we'll write here 0. Next hundreds, 947. Like this, complete this. Here write the place value of the digit in red color. You have to write place value of this digit. 8 is in which place? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So 8,000. Like that, complete this bit. These all bits complete in your textbook and send me the picture.